Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this file and they didn't really ask for help. They were just showing off what they had done, and I'm going to turn the hairline red just so we can see it. I don't really understand what, and I took the name away so I won't spoil it for somebody, but this piece here is going to break, and it's double. I mean, it's so thin right there. The only thing holding is that. And this is going to break off, and it just, to me, it looks like cloudy, and you're going up and cutting up in here, and if that's objective, I apologize for the video, but I can't imagine it is, and it's also quite large, so I don't really know what this is for. So what I did, I measured as good as you can measure from there to about there, and I came up with a little over 8 inches. So I made a circle a little bit over 8 inches, and things will snap to it if you'll get close enough, and you can snap to objects and you can look to see, and I'm pretty close to the size. I could nudge that over just a 0.001 is what I normally keep my nudge on. We'll grab that red line, and you can tell I've grabbed the red line by that. And just ever so slightly nudge it over. So we're dead on, but I need to make that a hairline anyway. And then this is where your nudge tool comes in pretty handy. I've got my nudge now, I'll set it on 10 inches, and I'll nudge this out of the way. Because what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna stop this from going up in here, because there's, the path, the like smart fill and boundary will go all the way up in here. So all I'm doing is leaving some of the tree, and you could do more with this. You could change the bottom, but you can see I've got trees on the outside of it, of the circle, that'll make it a little cooler. Grab it all, go up to your boundary tool and make a boundary, then nudge it out of the way. Now, these sharp edges for sure will break off. But then that's right on the edge anyway, so we need a contour, so go to Effects, Contour. We're going to contour 0.2 with rounded corners. That's real important, because we don't want these little fragile things to be sharp. Go up to Object, break Contour apart, and grab that contour, and now you have that same result, I think with a little bit better effect. And you could actually even add some stuff down in here if you wanted to. Put that young lady's name that you had up here in there, or whatever. I'm just suggesting. And I hope I didn't overstep my bounds by changing that. I just don't get this. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.